Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Nano Banana 2 in Claude Code. So let's get started. So the quickest way is first installing the Nano Banana 2 Claude Code skill. But before that, you gotta choose a provider. You can choose Run Comfy, you can choose Open Router, you can choose Google AI Studio, you can use Pilio. So you can simply choose one of the provider and you gotta type this command down, that is npx flag of y skills add your provider and slash skills, then the flag of skill Nano Banana 2 agent Claude Code. So this will install the skill into your project's Claude skills directory. Next, you gotta set up the required API or provider credentials. Most skills require an API key such as Run Comfy, Open Router, Google AI Studio, Pilio, whichever you're using. You gotta simply just set up the required API key for that, follow the provider setup instructions, and export the required environment variables. Then restart Claude Code so it loads the new skill. You can use natural language such as generate a 16:9 hero image of a cyberpunk city at sunset, or you can also give it an image to edit. Alternatively, if you're already using MCP, then you can use this command of Claude MCP add transport HTTP model runner HTTPS MCP model runner.run MCP. And then you can simply send your prompt. Claude will call Nano Banana 2 through the MCP server. And that's it, you don't use Nano Banana 2 directly. You install a Claude Code skill or an MCP server, configure the API key, and then prompt Claude naturally. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.